I've had my Tesla Model 3 for the past 3 years, and it's the best car that I've ever had. Every morning I wake up with a full tank that'll take me over 300 miles distance. You never have to worry about gas. It's super fast, super reliable. So today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to talk about Haloblk. They're one of my favorite companies. They are absolutely awesome. They focus on Teslas. They got a lot of cool accessories that I highly recommend. And they really dial it down in creativity and functionality. I always want to push for small businesses. That does amazing for sure. And one of the things that Haloblk makes, hubcaps, HaloDisc. Now this is one of my favorite hubcaps. I've had different kind of hubcaps for my Tesla Model 3 and they're fine. But this is proven that you get more mileage covering up your rims, so that way you are aerodynamic, means longer range, you get more miles. Personally, I love the way it looks. So Haloblk has different types of hubcaps. They got different designs. They have a plain black one like this, and they also have a plain white one. It's really neat because you can actually paint on top of this thing. And I've seen some really cool designs that they promoted, and I thought it was a really cool idea. I have an 8-year-old son. I think I'm gonna make him draw and paint in one of the hubcaps, and that'd be really fun, just something different. You could personalize your hubcaps and just make it your own. And on top of that, I'll be honest, I think it looks really cool. It makes my Tesla look clean. Really like the way it looks. It's sporty. I kind of went all out for sure. My wife doesn't care too much about it, but you know what? I'm having fun. It makes me feel like a kid again. It's like playing with toys, but nowadays we got more responsibilities, right? And they really allow you to customize the HaloDisc. And they also have different color caps. You get a red one, you get a green one, you get a titanium color one, and a black one. So you could go all black on black, or you could just put a little bit of color. If you have a red Tesla, you could put a red hubcap on, and vice versa. I don't think there's a green Tesla, but I'm pretty sure that exists out there. So customize your Tesla for sure. I'm going to show you how to install it, and if you do like it, I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.
Haloblk HaloDisc comes with everything, and this wrench is what you need to install and remove the HaloDisc, so keep it in your Tesla in case you need to pump your tires. Push in the center lock and insert it to the rim. Use the wrench provided and hand tighten it firmly. Place the center lock cap on the disc and align it to the rim. Use the wrench to lock that in. Insert the hex head screw in the center, and using the hex tool provided, screw it in tightly. Pop in the HaloDisc caps. Haloblk HaloDisc is available for Tesla Model S, 3, X, and Y.